Ghasaqan, it is said. Ghasaqat aynihu. And yaghsaqul jurh, the wound oozes. Ghasaq and ghasaqa are same. Ghaslain, everything you clean and something oozes out of it. It rhymes with fa'leen and is derived from ghasl, which oozes out of wounds and the wounds on the backs of the animals. Ikrimah says in Hasaba Jahannam, the word Hasaba belongs to the Ethiopian language. The others say Hasiba means strong wind. So Hasiba, which has been thrown by a violent wind, and Hasaba Jahannam is derived from it, thrown into hell, as the non-Muslims will be hurled into it. And Hasaba fil ard means to sink in the earth, and Hasaba is derived from Hasaba. Sadid means mixture of pus and blood. Khabata means got extinguished. Tawrun means you want to take out. Alright, I kindle the fire. Limuqin means for the wayfarers. Alqi means desolate ground. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Sirat al-Jahim means the center of hell. Al-Shawba min al-Hamim means boiling water will be mixed in their food. Zafir wa shahiq, loud as well as low sound. Warada means thirsty. Ghaya means in loss. Mujahid says, Yasjaruna means burnt into the fire. Wanahas means copper that will be warmed up and poured over the head. It is said, Dhawqu means lo and behold and experiment. It does not mean to taste with mouth. Marj means pure fire, as it is said, Maraj al-Amir Ra'ita, when the king gives license to his subject to commit atrocity on one another. Marij means combined. Maraja Amrun Nas means it has become confused. Maraj al-Bahrain, Marajat al-Zabataka, you have unleashed it. Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu reports the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was on a journey, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said regarding the Zohar prayer, let the noon be cool till the shadow declines from the knolls. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, perform the prayer when it is cooler, because the severity of the heat is due to the fury of hell. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3258.